Welcome back everybody. I hope you guys are doing great, protecting yourself everywhere you go. In this video, I'm going to pack my suitcase to lay over in Maldives. Yes, Maldives again. If you guys haven't seen my first video with the Maldives, please click the link up here. So let's go explore this Maldives together with me. What I have here in my suitcase, I have my toiletries, I have my clothes, I have my flip-flop with me, I have my coffee dripper, and I have my survival kit, which is the food warmer, and inside it's biscuits for my coffee in the morning. I will just put my makeup kit in the morning because I still need them. And that's pretty much about it all. I will see you guys in Maldives. I am here now in Maldives and feeling hungry. This time we're going to check one of the Thai restaurants nearby. I heard it's really nice, so I will just go refreshen up and then I'll meet you at the restaurant. This is gonna be my first time Thai restaurant here in Maldives, and it says Yindi Tonrap, means welcome. So now I'm here at the Thai Wok restaurant, the best in Malay. So I'm going to order some, of course, tom yum soup, and I will go with the special dishes, which is the khao man gai. So I'll show you guys how it looks. Oh, it smells so good. Look at all the prawns are here. My gosh. I'm gonna try it now. Tom yum soup. Let's use this soup. Wow. Must be Thai chef. Alright. Super good. Look at this I had. Shallot. Tomatoes. Wow. So nice.
You guys might have known already what is the tom yum soup, and it's originally from Thailand. Main ingredients are lemongrass, cauliflower lime leaves, galangal, lamb juice, fish sauce, and chili. So it tastes salty, citrusy, savory, deliciousness. So if you guys haven't tried, please try.
Oh my gosh, you guys. It's super nice. Authentic Thai. And the other dishes come.
Here I have my khao man gai that we call in Thai. So I have here is the rice. It's a jasmine rice cooked with the broth chicken, the raw chicken over there. And also we have the crispy chicken. So this served with the chili sauce, and I have some soup over there too. Let's try.
And the secret is the sauce here. So you get the chicken. So the steamed chicken, it's going with this brown chicken rice. And also I have the fried chicken. This one, usually there is another sauce like the, you know, the Thai chicken, sweet Thai chicken sauce, that one. Okay, but this one is with the ketchup. Alright.
So full. The food is too loud.
My gosh. Can I have a check, please? Thank you. So I'm gonna get a check. I ate too much food today. No, but it's really nice. I can feel like it's really Thai taste.
It's not like some of the Thai restaurant in the foreign countries, you know, they put kind of like artificial stuff. So this is great. I recommend. Anytime. This is the total price. So in the US dollar, it's around like 20 US because I got some of the discount. Ah, this is nice. Thank you. Bye-bye. There was a lot of food, and I think I overeat now. Oh, but it's really nice. I recommend. If you guys want to come here nearby the Gen Hotel, please, I recommend that Thai restaurant, THAI WOK. It's really nice and it's reasonable price. So let's go and try and enjoy eating, having fun in Maldives. We'll see you guys for the next video. Bye bye.